Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Save-A-Lot grocery haul to share. Needed to get some meals, form a meal plan, and a little bit of stock up for the freezer. Haven't filmed one of these in a while, but thought some of you might enjoy it. So let's get started. I got some side items. So Cheesy Shells and Cheese, the original one. Those are pretty good. The stuffing mix. This is always a favorite of ours with chicken. Au gratin potato side dish. This is potatoes in a creamy cheese sauce. I did get some of these Idahoan buttery home-style mashed potatoes. I'm going to make KFC bowls. And when I make KFC bowls, I like them to be so easy, so quick. So I got a package of instant potatoes. I also got a box of these original golden round classic crackers, and we like to have peanut butter and crackers or cheese and crackers like for snacks, for soups. I did get a package of nacho cheese Doritos because we're gonna have taco salad one night. Picked up 2 packages of these tortillas, flour tortillas. This is the soft taco one. This is in the medium size for breakfast quesadillas. And the burrito size, so the extra large size. Got some Rico's Gourmet Nacho Cheddar Cheese Sauce because I'm going to make beef and potato burritos, which is a Taco Bell copycat recipe one night, so I needed that. Taco salad, needed diced tomatoes. I bought some sauerkraut just to have it in the cabinet. I got some hot dogs, we made it like that. Or we may just have it as a side dish. It's pretty yummy. 2 cans of sweet peas. 2 cans of green beans. A can of cream style corn because this is the type of corn we prefer in our KFC bowls. And I also grabbed 4 cans of tuna for tuna salad or tuna pasta. Picked up 2 dessert items, a box of chewy fudge brownie mix and a classic no-bake cheesecake. Put it back in the cabinet for something sweet. I did get 2 Kurtz tomato ketchups. One is for regular ketchup like uses, and the other is for a meatloaf. And some of these meals that we are having, I already have pieces of them. You're only going to see the other pieces in this haul. But as always, there'll be a meal plan in the description box below. I got an original taco seasoning, 2 ranch dip mixes. One is going to be buffalo ranch chicken, and the other will most likely be the chicken bacon ranch sandwiches. And then because I'm having KFC bowls, we need gravy. So thank you, Terry, for telling me that if you mix the brown gravy with the chicken gravy, it tastes like KFC gravy, and it does. So thank you. So I picked a brown gravy and a chicken gravy. I grabbed a Prego flavored meat sauce for spaghetti one night. I wanted some bread and butter pickles. These are my favorite, so grab some of those. And the Kurtz hot wing sauce for buffalo ranch chicken. Save-A-Lot had a really good deal on potatoes yesterday. Yes, I went to the grocery yesterday. I'm just filming it the next morning because I didn't have time yesterday. 2 5-pound packages for 2 for $3. I did only grab one because I had went to Walmart the other day. That's why you're also not going to see milk or eggs in this haul either, because I went to Walmart the other day and picked those things up already, and also got a case of water up there. But $1.50 for 5 pounds is a really good deal. I love this coffee, the McDaniel's coffee. This is their caramel macchiato iced coffee. No, I do not. I'm not a big fan of caramel. It doesn't taste like caramel to me. But it has a much richer taste than the French vanilla brand that they have. And I really like this one. over the other caramel macchiato one, like the international brand or something, I believe, from like Walmart. This is so much better, in my opinion. I will get the other one, don't get me wrong, but this is a better coffee. Picked up some red seedless grapes and iceberg lettuce. I wanted shredded, but they did not have that when I went yesterday, so I got a large head of lettuce so I could have salad, and I can cut this up for taco salad. Juno bites, which are just red grape tomatoes. And this Lighthouse Homestyle Ranch is my favorite ranch for salad. I love this one. I have only ever found it at Save-A-Lot. It's amazing. Got a package of these Danimals smoothies and the strawberry banana yogurt drinks for Connor. I did get some Blue Bonnet stick margarine. I need this for some recipes. Some Hillshire Farm Little Smokies. These little smokies are good in so many different ways. Connor likes to eat them cut up in his rice, or you can fry them up at breakfast time. There's lots of ways to eat these. Also really good in the crock pot with the barbecue sauce and the grape jelly. So yummy. And Armour pepperonis. Picked these up for snacking. Picked up a roll of cinnamon rolls. Original crescent rolls to be on the side on one of our meals. Cream cheese original for the bacon ranch chicken sandwiches. Extra sharp cheddar cheese block for snacking, and some Mexican style taco shredded cheese for our taco salad. Moving on to freezer stuff, these State Street poultry chicken bags. Pretty good chicken. They did not have originally what I wanted, so I just went ahead and picked up dino nuggets. For Connor, we've had these in the past. They're just like kind of like little dinosaurs. And I also got one of these. Now when you see this pick 5, it's a part of a deal, so you can pick 5 things with the pick 5 on it for $30. So I picked the popcorn chicken up, and this is 1.5 pounds. And I picked this up for KFC Bowls, and the rest will just be for, you know, like snacking after school kind of thing. Another pick 5 item, and this is 16 Texas toast garlic bread slices. I've never tried this one. I always just get the Save-A-Lot brand of garlic bread, but we're gonna try this. I hope that it is good, because this will be 2 meals worth of garlic bread if it is good. And we grabbed 2 little like snack size pepperoni pizzas basically. You can microwave these or air fry them. I usually just put them in the oven, and this makes for a really easy, quick after school item. Lastly, meat. As you can see, this is a part of the pick 5 for $29.95, and you will see that I actually did do 2 of the pick 5s. So 5 of those I got in the ground beef, which when you break this price up in terms of meat, 5 packages of meat for $30 is not a bad deal. So we're a family of 3, so for me, I feel like that is not a bad deal. 5 ground beef, burgers, spaghetti, burritos, taco salad, hamburger helper, lots of things you can do with hamburger meat. Over here is some of the other pick 5s. Pork chops. Got some boneless pork chops. And not sure if I'm going to make those into ranch pork chops or just marinate them and have regular pork chops. Not sure yet. I did pick up a boneless country style rib. Those look so yummy. Now, Connor don't like ribs, so it'll just be me and John eating this. I'll have to fix him something else that night. And then I got a package of the boneless pork cutlets. I wanted cube steak. They did not have it, so I just grabbed a pork cutlet instead, which typically they're really good when we get them. I wish you could see the cuts of meat better, but where they've been frozen, it's kind of hard. So you seen I got the popcorn chicken and the garlic bread in the pick 5 as well, and then these 3 packs of meat, making those items $29.95. And you know, when they first started, this is totally random, but when they first started this pick 5, it started out it's $20. Then last year it raised up to $25, and this year we're all the way up to $30, which I'm still not mad at that, but I do, you know, it does kind of suck to see these price hikes. And then the last piece of meat that I picked up from Save-A-Lot is a chuck roast, and I could not believe this price. Yes! Oh my gosh, I'm totally making a Mississippi roast with this. I have not bought roast in so long because every time I looked at them, especially at Walmart, they were like $20 a pop. And if I do buy a chuck roast and it's $20, it better feed us 2 times. Cause then it better be large enough to cut in half and make a Mississippi roast, and then make another day barbecue sandwiches. You know what I mean? Or have a pot roast with veggies. Yeah, it needs to be 2 pounds or more. But this one's only a pound, but for $7.43, I regret not buying 2. So this was a little bit of a meat stock for the freezer. Because I had been doing, in the past you saw me do like 2-week stock ups, things like that. Well, lately, as of late, you know, because the prices are so insane, I've been only shopping like weekly. So just getting like 4 or 5 meals plus breakfast of sausage, hash browns, things like that. I already bought at Walmart. So that's why you didn't see any in this haul. Yes, that is my Save-A-Lot grocery haul. I hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for more videos like these. Thank you so very much for watching. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional in the kitchen links.